Hi, and welcome to the Dow Market View for Monday, the 6th of October 2014. Starting off with the 5-minute chart, so we saw the release of the non-farm pay figures at 1:30. You can see the market there moving higher. As I said in Friday morning's market view, that we could expect to see the market move higher following these. And that's precisely what we actually saw as well. So we've got the market moving higher. It retraced down towards the R1 and then moved higher. Then at the start of the session, the market was marked down to the low to the left there, which is no surprise really. That's the low of the news announcement there. You can see there the market finding support, reversing, and then moving to the upside. In the about an hour and a half, 2 hours in, we can see the market there, two failed signals, which is a shame because the short trade was just taken in and then the market reversing. And just as a tip for future reference, don't forget, in the background of this market we have the market testing the previous day. I'll just jump to that for a second. You can see the market testing and also the very high volume, which I alerted you to, and also said expect the market to move higher because of this. So this short appearing here was unlikely to actually move the market lower because of what was in the background. And this is why I talk about the background a lot, because it does dictate which way the market is likely to go. Unfortunately, the market then put in a buy signal. I'm just going to spread the bars out a bit here just to make it a bit easier to see. And we saw prices start to move higher. The market was filled at the 16,950, just below there at 46, and then the market pulling back there. So it's a case of either having to adjust the stop or give it a bit more room to breathe and allow the market to do what it wants to do. Certainly a very narrow bar with the signal was on as well, and also heading into the late afternoon session. However, the market did move higher. It traded through the 16,950. The market then trading all the way up to the 17,000, and then until later on in the afternoon when we had another signal there, and this one producing a profit. So it's a shame really, because the market did promised to move higher based upon what was in the background, and it did so, but it was a bit choppy in the way that it actually did it during Friday's session there. So you can see there the market hitting the 20 pip scalp there, so a bit of the loss there made up because of it. So it's a shame, but that's just the way the market played its hand on Friday. But you can see the buying coming into the market here, and that's really set a precedent for the rest of the trading session. In the daily chart, we see the market testing on high volume, which I spoke about in Friday's market view, and also added, of course, that the market could move higher, and that's precisely what it did, heading back towards the high of the previous selling bar for Wednesday, and then Thursday that test on the very high volume. So we know the buying's in the market, because the market, if you look at the range from the high to the low in the test bar, it is less than the selling bar, but the volume is greater. So somebody was buying this market, and hence why we see it moving back to the upside on Friday there on the non-farm pay figures. And speaking of news, as I'm recording this Sunday evening, I can tell you that tomorrow, Monday, is only one economic news item from German medium impact news out at 7 a.m. Other than that, there is no news out for Monday. So it'll be interesting to see what the market does. You may even get a reversal off this as some profit taking comes into the market. And also you've got this in the background, you've got where the market has been moving to the downside as well, which it certainly isn't over at this point. But there will be uncertainty during Monday's trading session unless the market has other news that it will factor in to move it in the direction they want to move it in there. Right, well, that's it for the Dow Market View. It's brief and to the point. There's not a lot else to report as far as this is concerned. So all things being equal, see you in Tuesday's Market View. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching, and I will see you in the next one.